Today I'm going to show you what comes in our Eco Kitchen starter kits. A perfect little gift option for this Christmas. So in our little boxes you will find one of our courgette scrubbers. Lasts for a good 3 to 4 months, and what's lovely about it compared to a plastic scrubber is that it doesn't scratch the surface, so you can clean the top of a stainless steel cooker and they'll leave no marks behind. Fully compostable, so once you've used it and it starts to fall apart a little bit, you can just pop that in your home compost bin. One of our little re-wax bars, so really great for keeping your beeswax wraps alive for a lot longer. So we recommend after about 9 to 12 months, just use a little bit of the re-wax bar to refresh your beeswax wrap. And we have one of our wonderful, so these have just launched, our solid dish soap bars, so really lovely for using instead of washing up liquid. Just use your scrubber, give it a bit of a scrub with some water, and then use it to clean your beeswax wraps or any dishes that you need to clean. We then have one of our lovely 2 combo packs, so I'll open this up to show you what you get in it. So as you open up the packaging, inside you'll find loads of lovely hints and tips on how to use your wraps and how to care for them. And then you'll also find your lovely wraps. So in a 2 combo you get one of our small, which is a 20 by 20 centimetre wrap, so great for covering little leftovers, wrapping snacks. And then you have a medium wrap, really nice big 30 by 30 wrap, perfect for wrapping sandwiches, lovely for wrapping cheese if you're a big cheese lover. It stops it from sweating and allows it to breathe. So there you go, that's what you get in our Eco Kitchen starter kit.